In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the footer on the password or opening soon page of the Dawn theme in Shopify. Whether you're looking to streamline your page or just want a cleaner look, there are two effective methods you can use. One method leverages the theme editor's custom CSS for an easier approach, while the other involves editing the password template code for a more direct solution. Now, before we dive in, remember that it's always a good idea to make a backup of your theme before editing any code. It's a precaution that safeguards your hard work and allows you to revert back if anything doesn't go as planned. First, let's explore the easier approach using the theme editor's custom CSS. Begin by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. From there, go to Online Store and then to Themes. Once you're on your active theme, which in this case is Dawn, go ahead and click on Customize. You'll see a drop-down at the top of the page where you select which page to preview. Here, you should choose Other and then Password Page, or it might be labeled as Password Page. With the correct page selected, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You're looking for a section called Footer or Password Footer Settings. Now, it's worth noting that some themes have a convenient toggle option for hiding the footer right there. However, if your theme doesn't provide that option, you can harness the power of CSS. Simply scroll down until you find Custom CSS or Additional CSS. In some themes, this field may appear under Password Footer or Footer Settings. Once there, all you need to do is add this piece of CSS code. .passwordpage.siteFooter. Display none. And then save your changes. What this CSS code does is it specifically targets the siteFooter class only when on the password page, effectively hiding the footer from view. Now, you can preview your password page to see your changes in action. If for any reason this CSS method doesn't achieve the desired effect, perhaps due to different class usage in the theme, you can opt for editing the password template code. Go back to your Shopify admin, navigate again to Online Store, then Themes. Click on Actions next to your theme and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. You'll want to locate the file called templates/password.liquid. In the Dawn theme, this might render sections via that specific template. In this file, search for where the footer section is included. It might look something like beyond section footer %, or beyond section main password footer %. You have the option to comment out or remove that line entirely. To comment it out, you can insert _comment % before and end comment % after the section line. Once you've done this, make sure to save your changes. Optionally, if you prefer a more sophisticated approach, you could wrap that section in a conditional statement to only show when not on the password page. But since the password page is specifically for that purpose, simply removing the section is absolutely fine. And there you have it. With these approaches, you'll have successfully hidden the footer on your password page, giving it a cleaner, more refined appearance.